Swollen testicles. Testicular swelling can result from various conditions, such as infections, injuries, or fluid accumulation. In homeopathy, there are several remedies that are commonly suggested for treating testicular swelling, depending on the underlying cause. Some of these remedies include rhododendron, often used when there is swelling and pain in the testicles, particularly if the pain worsens before a storm or during cold, wet weather. Arnica Montana, useful if the swelling is due to an injury or trauma to the testicles. It helps reduce pain and swelling. Apis mellifica, this remedy is recommended if the swelling is accompanied by a stinging pain, redness, and tenderness. Clematis erecta, often used for chronic inflammation of the testicles, especially when there's pain or burning sensations that radiate along the spermatic cord. Pulsatilla, useful for swelling with associated pain that improves with cold applications. It is often prescribed when the swelling is accompanied by a feeling of heaviness in the scrotum. Conium maculatum, indicated for chronic inflammation, especially when the testicles feel hardened and swollen. It's essential to consult a qualified homeopath or healthcare provider to get a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan, as swollen testicles could be a sign of more serious conditions such as infections, torsion, or tumors that require immediate medical attention.